Hello everybody. Today we're going to walk through the steps on how to replace the battery in the Arlo Pro 4 security camera. A few of the items that we're going to need is the camera and the housing unit itself, the charged battery, and the security key. The first thing that we need to do is locate the release on the bottom of the housing unit, and we're going to take the security key, insert it into the release, and turn it to the right approximately 1/3 of a turn. From there, we should hear a low audible pop. That lets us know that the camera has been released, and now we need to slide the camera out of the housing unit. I'll take one hand to hold the housing unit while I use the second hand to slide the camera out. From there, we're going to turn around to the back of the camera itself, and we're going to insert the battery. What I like to do is make sure that we can read Arlo on the back of the camera as well as the Arlo on the battery. That lets us know it's facing the right direction, and then we slide that in, seat it into the back of the camera, and now we're going to take the camera and slide it back into the housing unit. I want to make sure that Arlo is readable on the housing unit. I'm going to look at the camera. The light and the lens should be towards the top. That's the way that I'm going to slide this back in there. So now inserting the camera back into the housing unit, this can get a little tricky. So what I like to do is use both hands to grasp the housing unit, both of my thumbs to press on the camera, preferably below the light and the lens. We press in until we hear a low audible click. We should almost be able to feel it, and that tells us when the camera is secure into the housing unit. We hear that. I felt it. We have now replaced the battery in the Arlo Pro 4 security camera.